अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे ऑस्मो रेगुलेटरी फंक्शन ऑफ किडनीज। ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन को हम डिफाइन करते हैं, इट इज़ द रेगुलेशन ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ वाटर एंड सॉल्ट्स इन ब्लड एंड अदर बॉडी फ्लूइड्स। फॉर एग्जांपल, किडनीज प्लेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन। किडनीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती हैं क्योंकि वो हमारी बॉडी में कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ वाटर एंड सॉल्ट्स को मेंटेन रखती हैं. So, kidneys plays an important role in osmoregulation. For example, when there is excess water in our body fluids, then this process will dilute our body fluids. However, excess intake of water dilutes them, whereas excessive loss of water concentrate the body fluids. So, on the basis of this regulation, there are two types of urine which are produced. One is called as hypotonic urine, other is called as hypertonic urine. Hypotonic urine will be produced when there is excess water in body fluids, while hypertonic urine will produce when there is shortage of water in body fluids. So, first of all, we will study about hypotonic urine. This type of urine will produce when we have excess water in body fluids. So kidneys form dilute hypotonic urine. For this purpose, kidneys filter more water. Kidneys ज़्यादा water filter करेंगी from glomerular capillaries into the woman's capsule. So when kidneys filter more water, less water is reabsorbed and dilute urine will produce. On the other hand, when there is shortage of water, जब shortage of water होगी body fluids में, तो उस प्रोसेस में क्या होगा कि लेस इनटेक ऑफ वाटर, किडनीज फिल्टर लेस वाटर फ्रॉम ग्लोमेरुलर कैपिलरीज and rate of reabsorption of water is increased. So more water will reabsorb and concentrated urine will produce. This whole process is under hormonal control. So you must differentiate between hypotonic and hypertonic urine.